You are looking at the LG W8 Wallpaper OLED. Does it look a little familiar? Well, it should. That's because in many ways it's very similar to last year's W7 OLED. What's really going on here is a lot of behind-the-scenes work, some change to the horsepower of the TV and to the interaction of the TV via artificial intelligence that makes it so different. Yes, it's still got the amazing same super thin profile it attaches to the wall with a little magnet structure. You still get the same Dolby Atmos soundbar with this little ribbon that connects it all together. So the form factor looks the same, but when you take a hard look at the television, you can see that it's doing some new things. So first of all, we'll talk about sort of the more nebulous picture quality stuff. Inside is the new Alpha 9 processor developed by LG. This is going to be in a range of their televisions, but the main benefit across the board is better processing. We talk about how some of the competition's processing makes their TVs the way they look, and that's true. LG is now stepping up in a big way. The Alpha 9 processor is designed to compute extremely complex stuff in a very fast way, and that means it can pull off some tricks that the competition can't. In this case, it's got a much bigger color lookup table, and without getting too technical, that means it's going to have more accurate color. We're going to see less color banding with this television, as you see in this demo here. And we're also going to see a little bit snappier operation with the TV on top of that. In addition to all of that, it's gotten smarter, or maybe more intelligent is the better way to put it. They've always had a great smart TV platform. webOS 3.5 is already terrific. But now they've tossed in the new ThinQ platform, and this is to sort of integrate an intelligence about how it's going to parse your questions, because now this TV is loaded with Google Assistant. So not only can you tell it, hey, I want to watch ESPN, or I want to watch in cinema mode, you can also say, order me a pizza, or what's the weather like today? Do I need an umbrella? You know, what's it like in Phoenix? Any number of different questions. And in addition to that, you can control your smart home devices. If you've got a Nest thermostat or an Ecobee or maybe some smart lights, Philips Hue in your home, you're already set up to control those with, say, a Google Home speaker. You can now use your TV to do it. It's one place. And what you're going to find out a little bit later in CES, I think, is that that's going to extend outside of TV into smart speakers and a whole bunch of smart appliances from LG as well. You're going to hear a whole lot about that, as well as the new Super UHD TV line as we get through CES 2018. I'm Caleb Dennison at the LG private booth. We'll see you on the next one.